What's up guys, it's Mike at Precision ATV and we're going to show you how to install our big game retrieval system. So if y'all can pick that up. You got 4 supplied bolts that'll go in this factory mounting location. So we will supply 4 12mm bolts. They'll go in these 2 factory spots on both sides. And then you're ready to wire it. So everything's pre-wired. You're gonna have just your positive and ground wire, and you'll have terminals supplied. Run through here. On the XMR, you're going to go behind the factory snorkels. Just kind of feed them through. You'll come out right here. So that's behind your risers. You're going to go under this coolant line here. Alright. And then down. And then down through here. Alright, so your battery is under this back panel. You're gonna have two little screw locks that'll come out. They just twist and pull out. Then that panel's going to come out. There's a little cubby hole right back in there. Alright, you'll feed your wires through this little access panel back here. They'll come out right onto your battery. Right there. Hook your right up to the positive and your brown or black on the negative. Everything's pre-wired. Your switches are on the harness. Step 1, you're gonna have 2 people hold this up, the actual bar. You have 4 supplied bolts with your kit. Screw those in here and 2 on the other side, then you're ready to wire it. Everything's already pre-wired. You're just gonna have a positive and a negative battery cable to hook up. Right, so you're gonna run it down, run it through this little gap here, run it behind the factory XMR snorkels, then back on the other side. Can you get down in here? Or no? So there's a main coolant line. This one here, you're gonna run the wire under that main coolant line, and then it will come down behind here, run down through this cubby hole, and come out in the battery compartment.